Habang lumalalim ang gabi, tila mas lumalalim din ang tanungan sa boys' night out.
Ready, set, go, Brent. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Pick. Wala na. Shot, Pops. Shot ka, Pops. Pops, shot ka, Pops. Okay. Yan. And the question is,
This last one.
dalawa po, ate.
Nine.
Who and what confession have you wanted to say to any of the girl housemates?
And who and what?
Unang sumagot sa tanong si Josh.
Confess ako kay Kira.
Yes, sir.
Out of everyone here, I am so comfortable with Kira. I feel like she's my safe place dito.
Magko-confess ako kay AZ.
Sa atin lang ah.
Sa atin lang.
Oh, Brad.
Maganda ka pala.
Magko-confess ako kay AZ din. Because at first, sobrang naartehan ako sa kanya and sobrang akala ko hindi kami magiging swak and akala ko she was playing a role of being the way she was. But when I got to know her, I got to see how beautiful she was and how good of a person she really was. And it was for me to learn not to underestimate someone and not to judge them for what you see is what you get. It's not always that. Amen.
Yeah.
Ako, siguro kay Bianca. Sabihin ko sa kanya, nahihirapan ako makilala siya.
Yeah, bro. Pwede magsalita? Bro, he likes you, man. Like, as a person, sabi niya lag, parang same tayo ng ugali. Para lang...
Okay.
Just to reassure you.
Okay.
Sabi niya, alam mo, out of all guys, ang kapareho mo, si Emilio and Vince, sabi niya sa akin, and Brent. So like, she's okay with you.
Okay.
Honest
Ito.
two people.
Wow.
I think I'd confess to Mika and Bianca because I think out of all the girls, sila yung pinaka-closest ko. And for the longest time, I medyo distanced myself from my friends na girls in the outside world. And parang dito, I really found friendship in both of them nila. And I'm really so happy for them na sila talaga yung nakuha ng immunity. I'm so happy for them.
To AZ, I'm sorry. Yun lang. Cheers to that, guys.
Respect.
Respect.
Wala. Parang toilet lang.
Love you, bro.
Sige, ako...
I'm gonna.
May i-confess ako sa duo ko, AZ. Na throughout this whole PBB stay, throughout our weekly task, naramdaman ko talaga na may doubts siya sa sarili niya. So ang i-confess ko talaga is that I hope you see yourself as smart, as beautiful, as talented as I see you are. Brother.
Ako siguro, kay Mika. Kasi kilala ko siya sa social media lang. Siguro confess ko sa kanya, I wanna be friends with you more. Kahit sa labas. Sobrang bumilib ako kung paano siya mag-isip, kung gaano siya ka-strong as a person.
Yeah.
And kung gaano siya ka-understanding sa lahat ng mga bagay. Gusto ko lang na ma-prove niya sa mga tao kung sino talaga siya.
Yeah.
Hindi lang sa kung paano siya nakilala sa social media.